Oh no, she's done singing.
Is she?
Yeah.
SCOPEJACK?
Okay, hold on.
Tell her to say hello to our morning show.
Like I said,
She's wearing the Catch shirt.
releasing a new song.
Tell her to say, when you get her attention, tell her to say hi to the morning show.
Ally Cohen's here. Hi, Ally. Good to see you. So, I'm just about to play some Coldplay, and then I have a special Hanukkah song for
Here we
you.
go.
Say hi to our audience. Wait, really? You guys are on a morning show? Wait, I didn't get a morning show notification. I swear my notifications have been so screwy. Hello, Frameable Faces family. It's good to see you all. Oh my gosh. Hi, guys. Hi. Welcome to the Editor TV, the best channel on Periscope. Well, one of the best channels on Periscope, right after Frameable Faces, of course.
Woohoo!
Oh my gosh, I can't tell you how highly I can speak of Doug&Ally, really.
We didn't even pay her to say
Unless
this.
she's completely trolling me right now. But guess what? I have a second device, so we can really find out. We can play this game. Oh, look! Oh, there I am! Oh, this is trippy as hell! Colombia. Hola,
It's
Colombia.
the SCOPEJACK!
Love it.
Good to see you. They are live. Yes, I didn't get a notification. That's a bummer. So we're gonna do some Coldplay.
We SCOPEJACKed her.
Scientist as a reporter.
She's on Editor TV right now. So if you follow the Editor TV, you can bounce back and forth.
I'm just killing.
Yes, FCO.
Really, I was gonna go until like whenever, but yeah, I will play this song, the Hanukkah song, and then I'll come join you guys, so I can how to follow me. You can follow me at Sound of Boots.
I love the SCOPEJACK. Chocolate in my peanut butter in my chocolate. Yes.
Kim,
Hello, Janella.
we'll wait for you to join the tour.
The Editor TV, Malik.
Boots and Hearts.
The Editor
So this is the
Here.
TV.
Oh,
Somebody
okay.
punch it in.
I
I love the SCOPEJACK. It's a new feature on the morning show.
It's great.
I love you too, Allie. Mad love.
She's so cute. I love that girl. I love her.
The laptop and iPad for the SCOPEJACK. Yeah, the
We
SCOPEJACK
could,
is new.
We could fight with Fred Nemo too. He's
There
on.
it is. Michael just put it in. The Editor TV. There it is.
Should we
Fred
get
is on. Should we
Fred's on too.
SCOPEJACK Fred?
Should we
no.
Fred?
No, don't scope. I don't know.
My
how,
head? Whose head?
We can't overdo the SCOPEJACK.
No.
It's got to be like, you know.
All right. All right. We'll get Fred Nemo next time.
Yeah, Michael, she hates you too.
Why can't we all just get along?
I can assure you she does.